Today we go see Gordo. Yes, we outside. His Taraka event in Comuna 13. Let's go. This is my boys right here.
Yeah, that shit is fucking...
I'm trying to tell you.
We just checking out the party. Their metro system's actually beautiful in Medellin. Look at this, check this out. Damn, this shit full. Damn, this shit crazy. What'd you say? Smiley about to take the first or second shot of the day. Marcus, get your friend. He's on that shroom. We meet back up with the boys.
Shot number 4. 5.
As you can see, the boy keeps going. We're about to walk into the basketball or soccer field that they turn into the event space.
That's crazy.
This is where the performance is about to take place. It's open to the public. It's free. Everybody can come out and have a good time.
What up, big man?
See our boy Jepson up there.
What up? What up, gang?
All the people who are getting ready to see Gordo. Imagine, this area used to be a very dangerous area back in the day. Now it's turned into a tourist attraction.
It's amazing.
It's our boy Jepson right here.
What up?
Smiley crazy. What up, shorty? The party's now starting.
Consciousness.
Colombia.
Turned on.
Hold on!
Stop this motherfucking record over here. Wait a minute. Fuck that shit. Still on this motherfucking record. Yeah,
People are vibing out.
well, let's see. They told me I ain't supposed to play no more record. But they don't know me like you know.
Such a vibe. Everybody was safe. Everybody's having a good time, and this is all free. Thank you, Gordo. What a night. Thank you for me and the crew.